working capital kills you. And this is a huge problem, is that airlines need to work at almost full capacity to start to generate positive returns. And very quickly they start to burn cash if they become idle. It's very difficult. I think that obviously the price action is so severe that it makes it very challenging for people to say whether there's a value opportunity. First, because airlines always look cheap. We talked about value traps before. And I think that right now, what many will need to see is companies giving clear guidance. And to have
guidance on what, though? Because you'd say, is there going to be a V-shaped recovery where everybody has cabin fever because they've been stuck in one country for much longer than they've ever been in recent history?
Absolutely.
Because there's so many leisure flights. Does it bounce back, or does it not, because the virus doesn't disappear for much longer than we anticipate?
I would say, I think that, you know, in times like these, companies should give worst case scenarios, base case scenarios and best case scenarios, and let investors think about it. And one thing in terms of corporate communication, to me, that's very important, is that they should not think that saying less is better, because look at the price action. So I think it's better to go out and say, for example, as we saw this morning with China, that the hit is much larger, and then give guidance. No?
Well, the expectation this morning, 10% off some of those airline stocks, and across the broader market, you can see 6% for CAC, DAX and FTSE futures to the downside.